run the feature. Hello everyone, today I will guide you how to set post or live stream in Care software. To set post or live stream, we can do so from the main interface of the software. Click on Viral Marketing section. We can see setting post here. Click on setting post and set up the configuration here. Choose content. First of all, we will go to content management, add category here, and add content head, choose status or content with image. So enter title, enter the content and choose the image to set here and save the content. And we will choose the content here and load. Choose the content and load it and save the content. Set up number of threads concurrently. It's according to your device. I will set up 8 threads here. Distance up to interactions. Set up its default from 15 to 20 seconds. Enter the post ID here. Go to Facebook. Go to the post you want to share, you want to sit in. If I want to see this post, for example, click on the thumb here. And you can see a link here. Copy the link and go to id-charlotteshop.com here and paste the link here to get ID. Copy the link and paste it here. If you want to see live stream, so you will click here. Go to Facebook and go to video, click on live. I want to see this live stream, for example, so you can see a link here with a series of number. Copy the series of number and paste here. So you can release emotion like drop, like love, haha, surprise, angry, or random. So if you want to share post to provide, click here. If you want to click link to the post starting with, click link to the post starting with. It means that you share a product. So and you will paste the link to lead to your product here. If you want to comment these contents to the post, so click here. And if you want to allow comments with duplicate content, click here. So if you haven't have the contents here, so you can click here to comment content from the text file. Enter the comment here, 1 comment per line, and say it. So you will choose the account category here and load the account. Let's start to run the feature. Above are instructions for setting posts or live stream in Care software. If you have any question or if you need for help, please contact us. Thank you and goodbye.